Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and you should see Do Not Disturb mode somewhere here. So for me it's on the second page, as you can see right over here. And once you find it, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the settings of it are set by default, or you can also hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how it actually functions. So in here we have things like schedule, so you can set up a schedule for it and it will turn on and off automatically. Then we have exceptions, so you can select what is bypassing the actual Do Not Disturb mode when it would be enabled. So notifications, you can select what notifications basically can act normally during this mode. Same thing goes for messages and calls. Now calls have actually additional option right here, so ring for repeated callers, and as you can see the description right here says that if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So as an example, allow calls from no one, and you check this on, they will bypass this. Technically no one should be able to call you, but if they do so in a 3-minute interval, and the second time around they will bypass this option, and either you will get a notification that someone is trying to call you, or the call will just completely go through and you can hear it. So anyway, those are primarily all the settings right here, and once you customize it to your liking, you can close this and you don't actually have to ever come back to it again. So let's get back to the toggle, and whenever you want to use it, you can simply tap on it, select turn on, and as you can see it is now enabled. And additionally, if you're planning to use the schedule as a way to utilize the Do Not Disturb mode, just make sure that the schedule itself right here is enabled like so, and that's all you would need to do. You don't need to toggle it on manually in any kind of way. The phone will do all that for you. Going back to the manual route though, once you enable your Do Not Disturb mode, do keep in mind to turn it off, otherwise it will be running indefinitely, and all you need to do is just tap on it to turn it off. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.